So Caillou, I want you to make a Valentine's Day card today.
Okay. But who are we sending it to?
This boy. Even though you don't like him, I want you to write him a card, okay?
Okay. I guess.
Good.
God, why do I have to write a letter to this stupid asshole? Why can't I just do something about it? I know, I'll make that kid the most nastiest, meanest, most horrible letter ever. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. The note is finally finished, now time for my dad to send it.
So Caillou, are you done?
Yep. Here you go.
Ah, cool. I got a letter from Caillou. I wonder what it says.
Hello? Caillou did what? Caillou wrote you a mean letter and you're on your way here? Okay, see you when you get here. Bye.
Hey Dad, who's at the door?
Oh, you're about to find out. Come in.
So, you must be Caillou, right?
Yes.
Caillou, how dare you write a mean letter?
How dare you write
That's
a
it.
mean letter?
You are
That's
grounded,
it.
grounded,
You are
grounded for 17 months.
grounded for 17 months.